Good afternoon. I've heard from several of you that you would like more information on e-cigarettes. Today I have prepared some information specifically on the risks of using e-cigarettes, the regulation of e-cigarettes, and the potential effects of using e-cigarettes while around babies and children. E-cigarettes are also known as vaporizers, vapes, vape pens, hookah pens, e-pipes, or electronic nicotine delivery systems. One of the biggest risk concerns when it comes to using e-cigarettes is that e-cigarettes also contain nicotine. Nicotine is highly addictive and harmful to adolescent brain development. There is concern that youth who use e-cigarettes may become likely to use other tobacco products, like cigarettes, in adulthood due to nicotine addiction. In 2016, more than 2 million middle and high school students were using e-cigarettes. In addition, there are behavioral risks associated with e-cigarette use. For example, youth who use e-cigarettes are likely to use other tobacco products. Additionally, some youth may use their devices to also deliver marijuana. Marketing for e-cigarettes often specifically targets youth. E-cigarette marketing often appeals to youth through rebellious messaging and themes like sex and independence. Additionally, the product is also created specifically with youth in mind. There are generally lots of different flavors and colors associated with the products. Finally, the sleek technology of an e-cigarette also lends itself more towards youth. In 2016, the FDA issued final regulation that e-cigarettes would be regulated as tobacco products. This regulation is phased, and some of the regulation may not occur until 2022. This is concerning because the products are not yet subject to manufacturing standards, which causes the products to be extremely varied. For example, the amount of nicotine in different products can vary between 6 to 24 milligrams. In 2018, it was required that a warning sign will be placed on all the products, saying this product contains nicotine and nicotine is an addictive chemical. Nicotine exposure is harmful to babies and children. E-cigarettes aerosolize harmful chemicals and particles, so there is secondhand smoke exposure. The last major risk for babies and children is accidental ingestion, inhalation, or dermal contact with liquid nicotine. This can have dangerous or even fatal outcomes for babies and children. Thank you for continuing to ask your clients about their tobacco use. Please continue to advise that quitting tobacco is the best thing a parent can do for their children, and make a referral to the ASH line if appropriate. Try to ask open-ended questions to elicit a response from your clients, and don't get discouraged if your client is not yet ready to quit. Remember, quitting is a process, and each time you ask and advise, it shows the client that you care about their health. The ASH line has information about e-cigarettes. If you would like some of these brochures at your clinic, please let me know. Also, please let me know if you hear from your clients about their experience with the ASH line. We appreciate getting feedback and would like to know if there's anything we can do to help. If you have any questions, please email me at kelseybrown@mail.maricopa.gov. Thank you for listening.